Now, I want to take a little time and address this issue. Like a lot of students in this course, they're new, they get into a really competitive niche on Fiverr like design, WordPress, SEO, copywriting, JavaScript, HTML, all those things. There are thousands upon thousands of other freelancers competing with you. What to do? So if you find yourself in one of those very competitive niches and you're not getting sales and you're not sure what to do and you're not ranking, let me give you a strategy for this case. So I searched for SEO on Fiverr, and what I want to bring your attention to is that a lot of these services that you see on top here, they are very specific about what they offer. For example, this person, the first one, SEO contextual backlinks. So they have the SEO keyword in there, but they also have one long tail in there, and it's really clear what this thing is. Now the second one, SEO optimization and increased ranking. Those are kind of the keywords. The third one, website on-page SEO and technical optimization for WordPress. So you see they have a couple of extra keywords in there. So if I was doing this, I would have a separate gig for backlinks. Then I would have a separate gig for on-page SEO. Then I would have a separate gig for keyword research for SEO. Then I would have a separate gig for technical SEO. Then I would have a separate gig for voice SEO, local SEO, and another thing, so that my whole profile can try to dominate in that one vertical. Because even though the details and the secrets of the Fiverr algorithm are hidden from us, we don't know the specifics of them, most of the time, these algorithms, whether it's Amazon, whether it's YouTube, more and more, because of the increase of competition, they look for vertical depth. Okay, so horizontal depth would be like you do a little bit of everything. Maybe one gig is about marketing with SEO, another gig is about Instagram, another gig is about Facebook, another gig is about Twitter. So it's a little bit broad. But if you just had a lot of gigs about SEO, and each gig would be specific about SEO, targeting long tail keywords, and at the same time being really focused all on SEO across all your gigs, that will increase your chances of ranking higher for all of those keywords and the main keyword SEO. Of course, granted, if you do all the other things right, like get reviews, have a great sales video, have attractive images, and so on. But that vertical niching, while at the same time using the long tail keywords and the short tail keyword, that's the next thing to do to get ahead in a certain vertical. And you will see here, when I click on this person, the first one, Anna, if I go to her profile, you see all of her gigs are exactly like this. SEO, another thing about SEO, another thing about SEO, another thing about SEO, super hyper focus on SEO. And if we look at another one, like for example, this one, if we look at his gigs, it's also SEO. The first one, Google rankings and SEO. The second one, SEO. This full backlink report, that's also SEO. This Google, that's also SEO. This is also SEO, and audit for your competitor backlinks, that's also SEO. I would actually expect him to have the keyword SEO more in his gig titles, but it's still, because it's so relevant, the way users find him and the fact that the same users order his services still tells the Fiverr algorithm that this is very related to SEO. So just so that you understand at the high level, Fiverr also looks at the user history. What kind of users, what are their needs, what are they searching, what are they buying, what are the next things they're buying. So of course, because these sellers are very strong in a certain vertical across their gigs, that will send more signals to Fiverr that, hey, this is an expert on specifically this niche, and then this is how these sellers do better than competitors in that niche.